today's lesson mainly, you know that our new curriculum embraces the issue of civic education. So we are going to bias more in terms of civic education as per the requirements of the new curriculum. And we'll begin with a music lesson, and I'll ask Comrade Regai to come and lead us in singing with the revolutionary instruments. These instruments, they mark our culture, our cultural aspect, background, where we come from as Zimbabweans. And he composed some songs which actually talk about the daily realities which we are facing as the citizens, as well as the teachers and the working class in this country. So I will let him sing, also playing this revolutionary instrument, which is a symbol for our culture as well in terms of music in this country. But we can as well sing with him along the way as he plays this music. Comrade Regai.
This is a revolutionary instrument, and we also sing revolutionary songs, and we sometimes sing in some